Cleaning data in Alteryx involves preparing and transforming data to ensure it is accurate, consistent, and ready for analysis. Here's how to clean data effectively. Input data. Begin by bringing your raw data into Alteryx using an input data tool, specifying the data source and format. Explore data. Use tools like Browse or Summarize to explore the data structure. Identify anomalies, missing values, duplicates, or formatting issues. Data cleansing tools. Utilize Alteryx's cleansing tools such as filter, cleanse, data cleansing, and formula tools to address specific issues. For example, filter. Remove rows that meet certain criteria, such as missing values. Cleanse. Standardize formats, correct data types, or remove special characters. Formula. Create calculated fields to transform or derive new data based on existing columns. Normalize data. Use tools like Unique, Summarize, or Cross-Step to normalize data structures for consistency and analysis readiness. Validate and test. Validate clean data using tools like the Browse tool to inspect changes and ensure data integrity post-cleansing. Output clean data. Connect an output data tool to save or export clean data to your desired format or destination, ensuring to maintain documentation and version control. Iterate and refine. Iterate through these steps as needed to refine your data cleaning process, ensuring data quality for accurate analysis and insights.